senior women category of the Mascotera B-League National 2026. Yes, and just like the volunteers behind me, I ask everyone to give them a huge round of applause. They made it 3 at Odisha. What a proud moment for them. What a proud moment for everyone that supports them. And I would like to invite Srimati Mansi Nifal ma'am to present the trophy. And I would ask Dr. Devala Vijay sir to hand over the winning check to the winning team. Team Odisha. And I ask everyone present in the ground to give them one final round of applause. These are our champions of the senior women's category, Team Odisha. Team Odisha are the champions of the under 18 category. Team Odisha are the champions of the under 15 category. In short, Team Odisha are the champions.